Ever thought of how much mining is affecting the environment? Ever saw birds dying or migrating, or the marine life dying in the oceans? Many types of trees and animals getting extinct? Preserving natural resources. How to stop all of this? We know that natural resources are central to our life to build our future. As we are working for ourselves, we have to work for our beloved planet Earth too. How? Free ourselves up from dependency to natural resources by switching to virtualization. Virtual Engineering Tech, VET, is a tech startup specializing in hologram virtual technology, aiming to minimize or eliminate the use of natural resources. VET is a pioneer in producing and implementing holographic and digital signage on the roads. Our engineers today create spectacular virtual and holographic products that decrease the use of physical products. VET's aim is to switch to virtualization to reduce the cost of production, minimize the downtime, speed up installations, and reduce other associated costs, such as transportation, storage, laboring, etc. Preserve natural resources. In addition, VET helps companies by designing and implementing engineering products that allow businesses to run with fewer resources and free consultation. VET is about creative solutions. We identify the current major problems and provide our unique and creative solution.